Hello and a warm welcome to the third episode of Affiliate Marketing, and today you will learn how you can build engaging and converting landing pages, right? And also you will learn the art of building automated lists along with it. So today I am Shayan, your host, and today I will be presenting you another secret on affiliate marketing, what the pros do to earn maximum out of it, right? So in today you will learn about converting landing pages, how to do design them from the scratch. It will be over the shoulder training. Okay, I will design from the scratch step by step as you see it happening, right? Also, we have a couple of freebies and a product to give away to you. So watch this video till the end. This product will help you to start earning from day one. Also, there is a free course which will really demonstrate you how you can earn $100 per day without any experience, without any email list and any prior affiliate marketing experience. To know more about them, watch out the entire video. I will be telling you the secrets and the steps how to obtain them, right? So guys, as I have told you earlier that so after watching this video till the end, you will be able to create converting landing pages from scratch, and the tools that we are going to need in order to do this are: number one is web hosting, right guys? To design any website or any landing pages, we require someone to host it, right? And for that I will suggest that you turn to any hosting provider who is reliable in terms of uptime and reliable in terms of speed, because without a fast loading landing page, no matter how much optimization you do on it, it will never work, guys, because a fast loading landing page is the most important and essential criteria, right? So below is a link on BlueHost and SiteGround if you like them, because they both have over 2 million websites hosted on them and they are the best in terms of uptime and speed. If you like them, please check the description box below. You will find a link to get more than 65 to 70% discount. So next you want to install WordPress on it. WordPress, I'm sure you must be aware of the term WordPress. It's a CMS software which helps you to build websites within minutes, right? Then there is a page builder. We are using Elementor Pro. You can use the free version as well, but it has some limitations. I will discuss it while I will design, right? And last but not the least is an autoresponder. This is, guys, very important because you want to build up a list in an automatic way, and also you want to have an email sequence by which you will force your customer into buying it, right? So that is done via autoresponder. I will suggest you get a get response autoresponder because it is the best in terms of feature, and you are also covered with a 30 days free trial, no credit card required. So if you don't like it, you can just end the trial period anytime you want. That is not going to charge you, and if in case you really like it, then you can continue with it, right? So having said that, that's the tool box you will require to do this. Let's jump into the tutorial and have a step-by-step creation of a landing page. So meet you over the tutorial right now. Alright guys, so this is the landing page that we are going to replicate right here, step-by-step process. So here you can see, here is a photo of the person. Okay, here is some write-up about the product or the service that you are offering. Along with this is the scarcity generator, guys. So guys, I can have a webinar, okay, and in the webinar landing page, what I can do is I can set this type of status bar and show that only 10 seats are left or only 5 seats are left. That creates an urgency among the visitor to sign up, really. Once you make people to take action, that's where your landing page or your opt-in page or your any page for that matter really comes into play, right? So that is done for that. And then there is another scarcity generator. This is a countdown, right? This has been done using Elementor. And then there is a freebie. We are giving this as coupon. Now for your niche, you can give anything like a free video course or a free PDF maybe, but one thing I say that this should be of highest quality, right? This should not be something that is useless, because This is the first time you are going to interact with your potential customer. Yes, you are giving it out for free, but that doesn't mean that you should go for par quality or below par quality. Rather, it should be highest in terms of quality, because this is the first time you are connecting with the client, and your client should be entrusted that, yeah, this is a good vendor, I can work with him. So that is very important. Trust building is the most important part of any business that you do, and it applies to affiliate marketing as well. So here you can add that picture or maybe a video if that is a product, and then you can ask them for their name and email address, and once they hit on this enroll now, they will go to your autoresponder list automatically, right? So that's the design of this page. Also, for this design, you can see this is called exit intent pop-up. This works whenever the guy likes to exit from your work area. So this is the last bit effort to get hold of the information of the user. So I won't be covering this in this tutorial. There will be a separate tutorial on pop-ups and scarcity generators. However, you can see the entire architecture, how it works, right? So now without further talking, let's go into replicating this structure and this architecture, right, step by step, right? And also, just if you are following me, if you have watched my previous 2 tutorials, then this is the architecture that we are describing, right? So here we can see that today's part, I will cover this opt-in page design, this thank you page design, along with the email and get response part, right? You can see here the autoresponder is there, get response. Okay, I will show you entirely how you can build a list. This is the list building, this is the autoresponder, right? So you will get a knowledge about this part. So let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, now to have a better view, I will move this tab to a new window so that I can use the alt tab and save a bit of time, because this really takes up some time, but I will try to do it as fast as possible with explaining every terms so that you are able to replicate, right? Okay, so first what we need to do is create a new page. So I will hit on the add new. Okay, so I will give the new page name as landing page demo, right? What next I will do is I will scroll down, and in this template, guys, make sure that you make it Elementor canvas. This is important because in the landing page you don't want the menu or the footer section where there are multiple links to other places, because you want your visitor to be right there within the landing page and not go to other links, and your entire money spent on Google ads and Facebook ads and YouTube ads will go haywards. Then they will not end up giving you any results. So I will suggest that you do it on Elementor canvas. So I will hit publish, and then I will hit the edit with Elementor. So guys, here it is. You can see it's a blank canvas. There is nothing over it, neither the menu nor the footer nor the header, nothing. That's exactly why we choose that canvas template, right? So every step that I do here has a meaning. Please make sure that you follow each step. I will explain every step why I did what. Please listen to this carefully, otherwise it's a complex process and you may get stuck if you are not attentive enough, right? So keep out of your phones and your messages, maybe keep out of any distractions that you have, and just focus on this. This will not take long, so just keep attentive while I try to teach you everything, right? So now I will go back to that page which we are trying to replicate, right? So here is the page, and you can see that there is a title on the top, and before that you can see that there is a background, right? So I have to first make sure that we have that background here. So what I will do is that I will add a structure here, right? And what will be that structure? You can hit add the new section in this plus, and then can select a single structure, right? This is the structure. If you select 2, there will be 2 columns, 3 for 3, 4 for 4, and you can select disproportionate columns as well. These were equally spaced, this is disproportionate, you can see that. That will depend again on the structure you are trying to replicate. For me, it's a single structure, so I will select a single one, right? Okay, fine. So you can see the structure has been selected. Okay, now what to do? Now we need this background to happen here. Okay, so you can go to style, and on the style you can see background type here. You can choose classic, and within classic you have an image option. Choose that, and within image you can find any image that suits you. Now for the purpose of replication, I will use the same image that has been used here. Okay, so done. Okay, so the background has been added, guys. Since there is no content, so it is showing only this much. Don't worry about that. That will adjust automatically as I will add contents, right? So now then there is a text, right? So this is the Elementor toolbox. You can go here. There are different things that are available on the left hand pane, and you can start dragging and dropping from any of them to create it, right? Hoping that you have a little knowledge on Elementor. Even if you don't have, you can still create this by following these steps, right? That I will make it that easy, right? So first drag the heading into this section. Okay, and now make sure that this heading is this. Just copy this one, and it's a simple drag and drop, guys, just as you do in Microsoft Word or maybe Google Docs. It's the same process. There's nothing different. Okay, so you can see it has been created. Fine. Next, there is a image that is there, right? Okay, so I will go back again. I will go to image, and I will drop it right here. I will see that where it really ends. Right, you can see the blue bar coming. That will show the position. If I drag it upwards, you can see it will be over the text. No, I want it under the text, so I will leave it here. Okay, on the picture, I will choose the picture again. Okay, yeah, it's fine. So you can see that this is large and this one was small, so I just need to adjust this size. Okay, now it is coming perfect. Okay, you can see here is a gap, right? So I want to release it. What happened is during copying, you can see here a blank space has come up, so I need to just delete it. Okay, and you can see that the picture has been aligned, right? So up till this part we have done. Now next, again I can see there is a bit of text in it. So I can again copy this text, okay, and I can go here, and over here I guess now you are able to understand what I will drag. I will drag a text heading, right? So I really guess you are being able to follow me. It's simple, guys. So okay, just select it and paste. Oh, sorry, this has not been deleted. Okay, so you can see that this is coming in another way and this is coming in another way. So what has happened here is that because I had dragged in a heading part, this has been by default made the style of heading, right? So what I need to do is that I need to select it. Okay, then I need to change the HTML tag. Okay, that's gone too short. Okay, let me make it H4 or maybe H3. Okay, yeah, this one is more or less the same. And now you can change the font and the alignment. The alignment you can do center, right? Then you can also change the font, the size, and anything you want of this. For that you need to go to style, and from style you need to go to typography, and from typography you can change the font right here. Okay, there are multiple fonts available, and you can also add shadows to it, and you can do anything you want with it basically. So that's up to you, because I can't show you that bit of things, because that will really extend this tutorial beyond the time limit that we have. So I'm leaving it to you to make it more eye soothing and eye catching, right? So guys, next we are trying to replicate this. In order to replicate this, we will need a special software called the Urgency Suites Pro, and this is a really scarcity generating software that we use in our professional landing pages and opt-in pages, just to create that scarcity among the users. But this is not free, and this is not that much available as well. But having said that, if you really buy anything from us at any given time, then just let us know via our email address, which you'll find in the description below if you are watching this video. Then we will make sure that we give you access to this software. This is a very simple software. You can see this is the software, Urgency Suites Pro, and you can add here for the software access, and on the access you will get this type of thing. You can use the countdown and the urgency bar as well, and you can change the color of this text, the color of this, like if I do it red, it will become red, and this is so simple, right? What all you need to do is you need to copy this, and go to your page, search for the HTML, insert an HTML, and within that HTML code you just need to paste it, right? You don't need to worry about anything. It's done, right? So it's that simple. Anyways, if you are not having Urgency Suites Pro, this part is beyond the discussion for now. Anyways, if you have purchased anything from us, I'm sure many of you have. In that case, if you really want this type of thing, then please let us know with your purchasing email ID along with your receipt, so that we can give you the access and you can use this in your highly converting. So this was one of our major secrets that we have given you away, right? So as I told you already, that we are going to keep nothing to ourselves. We are going to show you each and everything that we do, right? So after that, you can see there is a countdown, right? So I am using Elementor Pro. So under Elementor Pro, you have a premium add-ons for Elementor, right? And within that extension, you can get a premium countdown. But if you are using only Elementor, then also there is a countdown. Okay. Then there is also a countdown like this, but this will not come up as good as that. So I will drag a premium countdown here. Okay, just below this. Okay, and you can see this has come. So I will just set the due date to maybe 20th and hit the apply. So you can also see what happens here is that, just let it refresh. Okay, so here you can see that there is months also coming. I don't want the months, right? So I will go to here, and here I will just, from this box, I can select what the displaying options do I want. If I don't want month, I can just simply cut it. Okay, it can display from years to up to seconds, right? So you have multiple options. Anyways, just update it, and you also can format all the things like the digits, the text here. For that you need to go down, okay, and you can hit alignment is already on the center, right? So you don't need to have anything on that. And on the expire of this countdown also, you can make sure that what is to be done, you can either give them any message, or you can use a redirection link as well, right? So you can go back to the countdown, and in the style you can set up anything, right? The background color, the box shadow, anything and everything. For the digits, here you can see these changes will happen to the digits. Like say I want to change the colors, and you can see it has changed, right? So it's that simple, guys. And now let me go back. Okay, and I need to do like this, right? So let the color be red because I have already changed it. And okay, there is a text, there is a bar also, you can see right here, right? So after this spot there is a bar, right? Now just first let me format these things because I am in here. So for having this green background to this writings, what I will use is I will go to the units, and on the units I will check on the background color, and on the background color I will give anything like maybe the green. Okay, so you can see I have been able to replicate this structure perfectly. What I need now is this text and these two things, right? So for that I need to go back again to the tools, and on the tools I need to find a tool called divider. Okay, so I will place a divider right under this bar. I can see what is, there is nothing on that divider. We can add icons to that divider, right, like this. And then there is a, I guess you can know what is this. This is a text. So I will go back again and add a text after this divider. I will paste it and I will make it center aligned, right, like this. Okay, then there is a countdown. Okay, fine. So I guess you are being able to understand how to achieve this, right? It's a divider. Yes, you guessed it right. Now how to add this wordings to it, I am showing you right now. Divider, right here, right? And on here you can see a text from where I added this icon previously. Now I can write text, and on the text I can write count down, and I can go back and see this is all the same, only this was caps and this is an init cap. So you can do that. I think that's no issues, right? So just going on deep down. Okay, so here is the final statement that you are wanting to make before having a call to action button. So this will be, again, I guess there is no guessing for this. This will be a text, and we need to add to this text. Okay, fine. And then there is a, you can see this is a 2 for column display, guys. I hope you are understanding. One column is here, it has an image and some text, and the other column has a form, right? So we now need to change the structure. How we can do it? This is very important, guys. Follow this. We have to bring an inner section within it, right? Okay. Now the inner section by default has 2 columns, so we don't need to worry about it. So guys, now to the left hand side we have a photo and some writings over here. So that can be achieved by another tool in the Elementor called image box. If I go down, here is the image box. I need to have it in the inner section, right? Okay, is the title of the image box. So this one will go right here. Okay, and then we have the description over here. Perfect, right? Now we need to change the image. For that we need to go here, choose the image that we want to give. Okay, now the image has loaded, and let's go and find that. Okay, this one was the image, I guess. Yeah. So what we can do here is that we need to increase this, right? You can see this is much readable and much better looking, and this is coming as much small. What we can do is that we can go to the style, and from style we can increase the width, right? So now it looks like exact replica, only except the form. Now for the forms, I will show you the autoresponder integration, right? This is a very important step, guys. So until now you have been able to generate this type of landing page. I think I hope it was really easy for you to follow me on every step. And if you had any problems, please let me know in the comment box. I will try to clear any doubts that you have. And also, if you like, please help us with a like, because this type of secrets are not given in open courses like this, but anyways we are giving it out just to grow our YouTube channel. So, and if you want this kind of free videos on different trainings, then please subscribe to our channel and make sure that you hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any tutorials like this, right? So now let's move on to the autoresponder and design this form that is missing over here but is there, right? So let's head over to the form. For that I need to open my get response. So here we are in the get response. Here we can create list. Like this one, I can hit just create list, right? Okay, now just let's create it. Okay, you can see the list has been created. Okay, that was the first step. Next, we need to create a form. So create a form. So here we are in the form section, and you can see there are a number of pre-designed forms. There are huge number of pre-designed forms which you can use depending on what product you are really having. So just let me take anything for this purpose. Okay. Okay, I think we use this type of form, right? So I can use this. Okay, now you can see here it has come up. Okay, now you can really change any part of it, anything and everything that you want. For example, I want to change the write up, so I can just hit it like anything like text editor, and to sign up for free discount coupon maybe. Okay. Okay, now you can see there are two fields here, right? One is email address, another is name. Now I want to add another field, so for that I will go to add field. In that add field I will drag the name part as well, and I will delete the last name from here. So for that I just need to hit this delete, and I can drag and drop them and make them arrange so that they look good, right? So the name and the email address are the things that we are capturing. And for the sign up, you can again change this call to action write up using anything like claim discount. Okay, now you can also again now you can resize them so that they appear well. On the settings part, you can click the settings over here. You can name this form something so that you remember. So I will create this demo underscore tutorial, right? And I will assign this to the list like the list I created, demo list tutorial, right? Okay. Okay, now here I can add a mail sequence that I will show for another day, how you can really run a sequential mail for email marketing, right? That's not for this tutorial, guys, because this will take it too lengthy, and I don't want to really take it lengthy because people don't like big lengthy lessons because they tend to get bored. So anyways, if you have a thank you page design, you can redirect them to that. I'm redirecting them to the home page. Okay. And for the already subscribed, that is if they want to claim another discount using the same email address, then they will stay on the same page, right? And if I want another page for it, I can also use that. That doesn't matter. Okay. So I will once I'm done with all these settings, what I will do is save. Okay. And then I will hit on the publish. Okay. Upon publish, I will get a code. I will just hit copy, and by now I guess, guys, you know what are the steps to add a HTML code. I guess you are guessing it right. It's HTML, right? I just need to drag this here, over here, and then right click and paste, right? Okay, so here I can see this coming. Okay, so now that I have completed everything, just let us take a preview. This one is for preview. Okay, so this is the landing page demo that we have designed right now, right in front of your eyes, guys. So you can see this is an exact replica of that one that we are using right here. So guys, you were able to do this step by step. I guess none of you had any problem in replicating this, because this was a very step-by-step tutorial that I had provided you on landing pages, and how to make them converting, how to make them more lead generating, that we will discuss another day. I really hope that you liked our tutorial, and as I promised that we are going to give away you something, so we have decided to give away you a free course. That course contains real secrets, how you can start earning $100 a day without any experience, without any email list, without any buyer list and any excess data. You can just follow it step by step like you did in this tutorial, and you can earn $100 per day consistently, guys. For that, that comes as free, so there is no risk involved. You can just check it out by following us, the link in the description below, right? And there is also a product which is designed for this lockdown period, right? Just let me show you this product. Okay, this is Warrior. I'm sure many of you know this, because this is very well reputed marketplace for affiliate marketers, and I am going to talk about this lockdown formula, which has been sold more than 2,000 copies as I speak. There might be, it is going upwards and upwards, right? And there you can see the refund rate is 0, right? And the love quotient is 141.61. So that's a great thing to have. Within this course, you are going to get 20 different courses, guys, along with the software for creating landing pages, just like that. Means you can create it on the go, just within minutes. If you are interested in it, you can find a review of it in this description section below. Just follow that review link. You will get to watch a video of the entire thing. The review has been done by me. You can check out the review, and if you then like it, so I hope you like this video, guys. And as promised, I have also given away you the freebies and the product link on the description below. Also, you will find BlueHost and SiteGround links in the description, along with the link for get response, right? What more is using autoresponder, you can do hosting for your landing pages without buying a hosting provider as well, right? That was that for today. We'll meet again soon with another secret tips for affiliate marketing. So until then, please keep watching our videos. Thanks for supporting us. Please like our video if you really find this good. That helps us keeping enthusiastic about making this type of videos, and really helps you to learn something for free of cost. And also subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So within this lockdown period, stay indoors, stay safe, make money online. Use this opportunity. There are a lot of opportunities online, so just follow these steps and see what we are doing. I am giving you an inside peek on it, right? So you can see what exactly we do to make money online, and I hope that works out well for you as well. Until we meet in our next videos, stay safe and stay connected. Thanks. Bye bye.